Good morning. Nice, lovely morning here on a Tuesday morning in Connecticut. Today's video is, I'm from Jeff from JT's Landscaping. I'm going to show you how I use my log splitter here. We're going to split up some dead logs I found in the woods. And after I split these logs up, I'm going to show you how I made this rustic birdhouse. I'll explain that after the video. And after the video, please give me some thumbs up. Please leave some comments if you want to get the dimensions of the birdhouse after I explain it again in the angles. And after I show you the video, please hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. Thanks and enjoy. As you can see, this wood splitter works really great. It's a lot more work than using my mini excavator, but it's good exercise for you. Now I'm going to show you how I built this rustic birdhouse. And it's rustic. I cut down the trees, I have a sawmill, I mill them into lumber, and then everything's all natural on my own boards. So the back here is 6 inches wide by about 12 to 13 inches long, roughly an inch thick. That's the back of it. Then for the sides, they're 4 inches wide. Top to bottom is about 8 inches long. I cut two, one for each side. And then the angle is about 7 inches at an angle on my chop saw. I put both sides together. I set the chop saw at 7 degrees. I'm doing both at the same time, so the size comes out even. Then I cut the top, and the top is 6 inches wide by 6 inches long. I take it to my belt sander. I belt sand all the corners all nice and smooth, all the sides, so it's all nice, there's no burrs on it. Then on the back, I put the top on rough. I mock it on both sides where the top's going to be. I take the top, I don't do nothing to the top, I take that away. I put the side in a vise to the mock right here. I glue it, staple the side on. Then I put the other side in the vise. Same thing, there's a mock here. I glue it, staple the side on. Then I take the top, I put it on the top, I glue the top, staple the tops on. Then the front, this is why I call it a rustic birdhouse. It has the live edge still on the sides. I make it all nice and rustic. You can't find too many birdhouses like that. And again, it's 6 inches wide. And then I make it about 7.5 inches long. In the top here, I set my chop saw at the other angle, roughly 7 degrees, so it butts up against the bottom of the top nice. Then I glue the sides, I staple the front on. Then the bottom is 6 inches wide by roughly 5 inches long. I don't glue or staple it because all my customers like cleanouts on the bottom. I put the bottom on, I pre-drill a hole on both sides, 1/8 inch drill. Then I use a sheetrock, 1.5 inch long sheetrock, coarse threads. Fine threads, it strips out too much. I learned the hard way. I was drilling and screwing the bottom in without pre-drilling the hole, and the bottom cracks. So I pre-drill and drill the bottom so you can unscrew it and clean out the bottom. And this is called a predator proof, so the squirrels don't eat the inside here. 1.5 inch bore. It's about 5 inches up from this bottom of the front here. I bore a hole here, then I put another stick on here so the squirrels can't chew inside the hole, and I staple that on. So that's how I make this rustic birdhouse. I get $15 a piece for them. If you have any questions about the sizes and the angles in the comments, please leave me your email address. I'll be glad to give you the dimensions for the rustic birdhouse. Again, I am Jeff from JT's Landscaping. Hope you enjoyed the video on splitting wood, making the rustic birdhouse. Give me some thumbs up. Please leave some comments and subscribe to our channel again. And we're doing really good. And please hit that notification bell. Thank you and have a great day.